Hi, this is David with EminiTradingStrategies.com. In this video, we are looking at a pullback trade. We've already got a long entry in here at 50. We could also take an EET. Right now, we're in no zone. We've got some strong conviction. There's the EET. That would be a short trade over on the right-hand side there. That would be a short trade, and we're getting ready to get filled on a pullback. So you see, there's a short trade and a pullback trade. One's going in one direction, one's going in the other. Okay, sometimes you've got to have some subjectivity on what trade you want to take. An EET is aggressive. When we're in no zone, when it's yellow, that means we've had a big run up. So an EET is aggressive, but as you can see, it's already a winning trade. Okay, both of these trades could be winners. Okay, in fact, 70% of the time when my pullback and EET are both valid, they both win 70% of the time. Now, because we're in no zone, I elected to take the pullback trade, although I could have taken the EET, and there's also instances that I could take both. And of course I teach that in my trading material. But I chose to take the pullback trade, so I've got to stick with it, and we're in no zone. So if we signal an NSC to the short side, that of course would help the EET short. Okay, and there it is. There's a short NSC, but see, we're avoiding that short trade because right now we expect it to market to go back towards the way it's been trending. That's why we avoid the NSC. But there's enough room in there for the EET to make a profit. Okay, so now there's an EET to the long side, so you could have grabbed a short EET, made a profit, been long again, and now in the same direction with us in the pullback. Okay, so now everything is pointing up. We're in no zone, we had a run up, we're avoiding the NSCs, we took the pullback, the EET pullback was a winner, the first one. There's another long EET as well. Just my point is that a lot of times we're going to be in a position with my system where do I take a pullback or do I take an EET? They're both valid. What do I do? Well, there's going to be a little bit of subjectivity here. You've got to look at what the market's doing. Okay, are you at a high of a day? Maybe grab the EET and take it short. But when you got strong conviction, you want to take the pullback. That's why I'm taking a pullback trade. And again, 70% plus of the time, they will both be winning trades. So now if this pullback trade ends up winning, it'll be a short winning pullback trade that won, a long EET trade, and a long EET. So there is actually, here it is, we're at profit right now for the pullback. Well, we moved our stop loss to entry. Let's see if we can get filled. So we had an EET that made money to the short side while we were still long the pullback trade, and now the pullback trade's making its money, and in that time frame we fired off another long EET. Okay, so EETs are more aggressive because they're counter trend, but now this EET to the long side is actually going into the trend. Okay, so subjectivity sometimes exists in trading, and I teach you when to take certain trades, but there will be times like this when both trades will be valid and they could both be winners. Now this one here we wouldn't lose on, we got a break even in, but I would like to see it be a winner to show you that both trades can, there it goes, both of these trades can win. So that's today's video. Thanks for watching.